Welcome back, guys. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. Let's go back from work. I'm exhausted again, but it's fine, right? So, first of all, I just want to know how you guys are doing. You guys are doing good, feeling good, smelling good, because right now, yeah, I know I am. Yeah, I know I am. Right. So today's trade would have been one of the most historic trade I would have ever taken. Right. So today I came into today looking very pumped that I want to make money. Right. As I always make money in this market. You feel me? Stop playing. So I always make money in this forex market. Alright. So I came in looking very pumped and feeling very energetic. I came in with about $6 because I made I think $1.24 yesterday. So I came in with about $6 that I'm gonna make more. So when I came, the first trade I took of the day was about I think it was on AUDJPY. It was a sell trade, and that trade is what I would call like sniper entry to stop loss. Immediately I got into that trade, it just boom, just keep going up and eventually get hit. Took me out on about 3 point something dollar, which brought the account way back down, like way back down. I came in with $5 and just one stop, took the account, took my profit, and also took some portion of the capital because I was down with like $2. I was like, damn, how am I gonna do this shit? How am I gonna get out of this? And I was like, okay, cool. I'm gonna keep my head down and start trading it conservatively, like I planned I would trade. So I took my second trade. The second trade was not was like a typical textbook trade of my strategy. It has no flaws at all. That's what I always see in a trade before taking. Look, this trade is so annoying that me looking at the chart right now, it just make me want to. Okay, first off is that I got into this trade with all my confluences met. I mean, like all the box that I needed was checked in this trade. So I came in, marked out all my levels, got my entry on point, and I went in. Only for the trade to move like 1:2. Sorry, I think like 1:1, yeah. And I closed the trade hoping that that's it. I knew for sure that the trade is gonna move further, but for the fact that my capital was so low, I did not want to entertain any sort of drawdown or maybe pullbacks. So I closed the trade. The same candle that made me to close that trade. The same goddamn candle that made me to close the trade, that same candle pushed the market more and more to my anticipated direction. Let's just go to my chart. Let me show you because right now I just let's just go. Let's calm down. Let's go to my chart. Let me show you what I am feeling right now. I'm sure you guys are gonna also feel the pain. But first of all, let me take you guys on the AUDJPY trade that just went straight up to my stop loss. Let's go. So I've been trying to get like a screen recording software, but for some reason it has been acting up. Alright, so let's just go over to the trade that took me out on stop almost immediately. So let's look for it. I think it's the this trade. As you can see here, that's it. So immediately I went in on this trade. Is just moved down a bit, gave me some couple, and boom. As you can see, it's still flying till this moment. Trade still moving to the upside. If I were still holding on to this trade, I'm sure my account would have been gone. Like maybe this point would have gotten the account blown. But since I have my stop loss order checked, and the price now stopped me out and keep moving. So, and this was a trade that made me want to cry. It's so annoying. Let's just go there. NZD, as you can see, it's still going up. I think I'm gonna leave a screenshot somewhere around for you guys to see, because this trade is. I think I posted this trade on my Telegram. Yeah, I posted this trade on my Telegram handle where I normally drop, where I promise to be dropping most of my trades, as you can see right there. As you can see right here, this is what I saw before taking this trade. If I go over to like the 4-hour candle, the 4-hour market, 4-hour what's it called, chart pattern, or 4 hour time frame. If I go over that, you can see the price actually gets to like a major resistance level. You can see this point here, you can see this, you can see this, and yeah, I anticipated that maybe if I anticipated that my tongue is sitting, so I anticipated that if price takes out this low and this low, that's where you see this black line, that if price takes out this low, for me it's just gonna be like a liquidity sweep. The price is about to reverse to the upside. So I went down to like the 1 hour candle, or what am I saying? So that the 1 hour time frame, and then I got my entry. Look, this trade is so painful. Like, so this is 12 a.m. in the morning, and yet price moving as if it's London or New York section. Yeah. So let's just go there to that trade. So I got my fib too. Immediately I saw that price swept. Stay here. See, price swept this level and came back, swept again. It has given me all the signs that price is about to reverse, because it's failing to break below this low. Of course, failing to break below this low. Instead, it keeps creating like a chart pattern that signifies that price wants to go to the upside. As you can see, if you trade major chart pattern, it's like a left shoulder here. It's like a left shoulder here. And this head, and this is also like a right shoulder. This is like an inverse head and shoulders right here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder, and price, which signifies that price about to move to the upside. So this was, so for me, I did not use this head and shoulders pattern as a means to confirm where price is currently heading. I use what I'll call, I'm yet to give this strategy a name, because this strategy is also unique, that it deserves to have its own name. All right, it deserves to have its own name there in the in the in the trading space. So as you can see here, I use my fib to draw like from the lowest low to the highs where the market was trying to reverse. So I kept it there, something like that, and then I got my rectangle tool, and this green zone, as you can see, this green area, this is where I normally take my entry. Whenever I draw like I use my fib tool to get the lower low to the lower high, or whatever what's called, or whatever direction I'm looking for. I'm going to use my rectangle tool to mark out a very critical area of the Fibonacci retracement, Fibonacci of the fib tool. So as you can see there, so when I drop this, you can see how price breaks and go back inside. This is enough entry that price is about to shoot to the upside. So when I don't know what happened to my Bluetooth, just disconnect immediately. But as you can see, that immediately price pull out, price came back as if you want to move to the downside, and eventually reverse and retest it again. If you go back to like the 15 minutes time frame, you see all of this stated clearly there. Let me delete this fib tool because it has already served its purpose. So as you can see here, price pulled down, went up. This is like a major retest for the continuation, but from the higher time frame, it's not being confirmed enough. So once I saw this, I saw that price breaks out of this major high here and came back again. I know that for sure that price is about to start moving to the upside. So I took my like buy two. I did this like that. This is sell. Took my long position to from there. Long position is also called buy position. All right. So for those people that don't know what it means, so long position means buy as well, and short is sell. So I'm going to make a detailed video about forex terms very soon, but for now let's just focus on this. So this was what I did, kept my stop. I think I have a screenshot. I'm gonna check if I do. I want to leave it somewhere around this video for you guys to see. So price now shoot. If that price came in, I was using this place as my take profit. I think here or here. I'm not really sure where it was. So as you can see, just look at the precision of this trade. You can see price was stopped and like little to no drawdown, like little to no, because you can see that price gave us a little bit here, and that was it. It did not return again. Just keep moving, and at this point price is still moving to the upside. So you see how offensive it is to miss it. Sometimes I wonder, maybe missed trade is more offensive than being stopped out on the trade, because it's just so crazy. Because for the rest of the day you're going to live to think about how what you would have done with the money that would have been made if you head onto that trade. So I think I left somewhere here. Yeah, this was where I left the market, and I made $2, which cover up, which brought my account back to $5. That means we are currently restarting the challenge from like scratch again, but I'm down with some cents than the initial deposit. So guys, that's it on that. So this is what I'm at this moment. It's already 12 a.m. but I saw this sweet opportunity on the just take a look at this. Just take a look at this. I also analyze this buy entry yesterday. If you watch my previous video, you see that I told you guys that price is gonna get to like the to this area before buying. Just see. Just come on. You cannot fake this. You cannot fake this already, because I was on the trade on what's it called, on the because I was on the other one, so I refused to enter this one because the capital was small. Since I was in on NZD USD, I did not enter this one already, so I needed to let this one go, hoping that I was going to hold the NZD to the take profit level. But for some reason I chickened out and I left the trade. Just take a closer look at this entry. You can't see that. Oh my days. So I missed this one as well. So that's a lot, guys. So right now it's 12:28 and I am on GJ sale. Yes, I'm on this sale right here. So let's see how it goes. So for clarity, the account is sitting around $5. Yeah, I'm back to break even. So I am on this GJ sale right now. So yeah. So guys, I'm currently on a sale on GJ, so trade is not looking too good, but we'll see how it goes. I want to keep you guys posted of how the trade plays out. So if you hit stop loss, I'm going to show you. If you hit take profit, I'll be very, very happy to show you guys. And of course, my break even is also in check, because I also use break even to like protect my capital. So if any of this happens, stop loss, take profit, or break even, I'm gonna let you know. Or if I even close the trade prematurely, I will let you guys know, right? So see you guys in my next video. Please subscribe and watch me how I move from the bottom, or from the where I'm at right now, to the point which I dreamt I would be. So I just want you guys to subscribe and turn on that post notification, and yeah, that's it. So it's not gonna cost you a thing if you can just subscribe and like this video. And of course, what I was saying in my previous video was that I need you guys to tell me the frame which I'm gonna get with because I'm very, very sure, like I'm sure certain that I'm gonna get to the I want to trade this money to the point I'll be getting a 10K account. I just want you guys to tell me which of the frame is very actually nice for me to get, so that I can as well start to scale up my trading journey. So see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.